Hello, my crafty friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be diving into my Serenity collection from Cheaply Chic. I'm really excited about this one. I mean, let's face it, I'm excited about all of them. But yeah, so I want to go ahead and show you this collection. She does have a full flip through of everything in the collection on her channel, so they sold out fairly quickly. So I do recommend, if you are looking to potentially get one of these collections, that you subscribe to her channel, because she'll do videos and announce the start dates and all that stuff. I do have, I believe she's not going to do one next month. For maybe she's got May. I think she has May. She's going to do one for May, but maybe not June. But just reply or go to her channel, and she'll be able to tell you all about those on her side. So this one is super pretty. It's got like a floral design to it. Really pretty. Pink and teal. I love the color combination. The flower applique is so pretty. So a lot of pinks in here this month. She did a lot of avocado dyed paper. Really excited about it. So that is the journal. And then if you are not familiar with her channel or her items, then you if you order within the first 24 hours, which actually sold out after the first 24 hours, she does include a couple of cool little pieces here. Some just fun little pieces as a little thank you. So I love those. And then she sometimes does little extra pieces for her things, and I was able to get my hands on one of the ruffles, which I was so excited about. So I'm really excited about that. And this is the extra piece pack. I got the 15 piece extra piece just because I really loved the wallpaper that was in it. And there's a couple of little envelopes and things that I really thought were really cool. So I picked up that. And then this is the actual collection itself, full of all the goodies that she went, like I said, she went over those on her channel. And then sometimes she has her friend provide some extra goodies, and she did that this month, and I'm super excited to see what's in here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and dive into this and look at this on this video, and then we will kind of get a little bit organized and get ready to start the process of doing my monthly journals. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what's in here. So, okay, so first of all, I saw this in here. I have to pull this out and look at it. Look at all these little goodies that she gave us. Little cute. I love this stuff. Those will make good layering pieces. And then look at all this cool eyelash trim and fuzzy trim. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And then there's a little piece of lace there. And then this one has an envelope, a little index card. It looks vintage. Another little glossing bag, and then some vintage Trivial Pursuit cards that you can kind of do some what's that called, alterations on. And then a envelope with the window, and another glossing bag in this bag. And then this one looks like there's some wallpaper samples. That's really cool. Those are really pretty. These are all like wallpaper samples. And then the cool little bag. And this one has a bunch of butterfly stuff in it. Bunch of butterfly and flowers. Cute. Little butterfly stickers. Looks like little fairy wings. Very cool. And then there's another little cut apart by, this looks like the wall decal things from the Dollar Tree. I haven't actually seen this one, but just from the packaging and stuff, it feels like that's what that is. So then let's see what's in here. Let's do this one next. I see a bunch of little tags. Look how cute those little tiny tags are. I love those. And then a bunch of other little tags and the white one. And then some black sticker labels. A couple little pocket and tags. I love these tiny little ones. And then let's see what's in here. There's some charms and stuff in here. Some charms, some flat back pearl things, and then a couple of charms with the paper clips. Really cute. And then some doilies. I love this teal. Oh, I love that one. Doilies, and then looks like some book pages. A little piece of kind of like a construction paper. And then another piece of wallpaper. And then a big page of from a floral book. And then from like a gardening book. Looks like I got a, what's this, a dictionary page. And then another floral book. This is like another little floral garden book. And then a recipe page and a big page of music sheet. Very cool. I'm really excited about that. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to see what was in here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit organized, and then I'll be right back. I'm just going to get a little bit organized and put some stuff into categories, and then we'll kind of put some stuff away. I got my piles ready. So I've got my handy dandy little box here that I've used for my collections. I'm going to definitely put all the little beads in here. I'm just going to keep them in the little baggies. And then there's a bunch of little die cut things, or little flowers here, and some die cuts. So I'll put those over here together. I've got the paper clips. I can't open this whole bag. I cut my finger. So, okay, so let's put all the paper clips and little clippies and the little charm and all the little like metal pieces in there. And then I've got some of the tickets. All these tickets are not going to fit in here, but let's try to put some of them in here. I think for this collection, I really want to do, I want to try to make a lot of embellishments. Kind of even, there's just so many cute little pieces. Like these I can definitely do something with, and all the tags that I have. So I'm going to put the little tiny ones in here. I'll just put them in here, I think. I love these little tiny tags. Actually, I'm going to put them in there with that. Okay. And these I'm going to put into a baggie. And then I have all of like the envelope things, the different envelopes that came in the collection. So I'll put all those in a bag together. These little card right here, let's go ahead and just put that in there. And then I love this thing. I don't have any idea what I want to do with it, but I'm excited to come up with something for this. And then I've got all of the tags and things, and kind of the other little miscellaneous papers and the cards. And I have all of the envelopes and bags. So I'll put all those in here. And the tags can go in here. And then I'm going to put all of the butterfly things in here. Okay, I think I'll just leave those out. I'll put the fibers in here. There's the fibers from Cheaply Chic as well. So I'll put those in here. I will probably go ahead and put the ribbon in here too. Okay. Keep those pieces out. These all in here. All right, and then I have my pocket, paper clip, and then I think I'll just kind of keep all these together. Okay, and then I have all of the envelopes and the papers and the napkins and all the book pages. So then we'll just grab this. I have some rose stickers I want to try to incorporate, and then I have some different die cuts that I found in my stash. And then I was inspired by that little turny wheelie thing. I have these in my stash. I found that in my stash from the Planner Society. I thought that would look cute in this. And then some of these little gold things. These came from the, I think it was from, not the Wings Journal, but the one before that. I just never used them for some reason, so I'm going to keep transferring them until I use them. And I have a bunch of stickers and die cuts. And then I have a couple of pockets that I thought might look cute in there. Put these there. Okay. And I think I probably want to put this into its own bag. Maybe not the stickers. Into its own bag. Actually, let's go ahead and put it in this one. All right, so we'll put all of these in here. This is a lot of stuff. It's going to get really full. Like I said, I want to try to make some pretty good amount of embellishments. So alright, so I definitely feel very organized. Actually, this would probably fit in here, at least for now. There we go. Alright, fantastic. Alright, so I feel like I'm all organized and ready to go, and we will start the process of getting this journal made in the next couple of videos. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.